Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka. Welcome you all in my channel Python with Priyanka. So today I am covering set topic, how set work with Python and how many functions does set have and how that functions work. Alright, so let's begin with it without wasting much time. Alright, so see, set is unordered. Here I'm giving some features. So, and I will try to explain those features also. Alright, so see, set is unordered. Duplicates are not allowed in set. Indexing does not work with set. Set is enclosed by curly braces, but we can't initiate set by empty curly parenthesis. All right. So yeah, whenever we will initiate empty okay, braces to any variable and we will say it like set, then it won't be considered as set because uh, we are having dictionary also like with this curly braces. So see, if I will initiate this new equals to curly braces and I will check its type, it will show us as dictionary. How we can initiate set? This is how we can initiate set, and you can print that set also. And as I already told, set is unordered. So see, here we have passed some values, I can say like this, but it is giving us random values, but it is avoiding duplicates. Over here I passed one many times, but it have avoided that duplicate value. Likewise, if you want how means integer value are stored in set and how we can initiate integer values set. So this is how you can initiate and store integer value in set, and you can also check its type by simply checking type of A. All right. So this is what some features of set, and this is the explanation of it. So how it is unordered, how duplicates are not allowed. Again, set is enclosed by curly braces, but we can't initiate set by empty curly braces. All right. Here, one single is remaining, that indexing does not work with set. Yeah. So I will explain over here. If we will try to fetch any element from indexing by using indexing, so it won't work for set. This is what I'm trying to means tell you from this statement. So indexing does not work with set. You have to understand this. All right. So now we will begin with set functions. We are having this much of set function. We will try to cover one by one. All right. So here I have taken one set, that is set underscore eg, and I have passed some values in it. Here I pass some integer value and some string values, and we will try to use this function add. So why we use it? For adding elements in set. Now we will try to add this adding word in this particular set, and it is having simple syntax that variable name dot add, and in parenthesis you have to pass whichever thing you want to add, and I'm simply printing this variable again. So here you have added this adding word over here. Why we use update? By using update, we can able to update set with another set. So here we are having already the set underscore eg, that is set, and we are having the second set. So we will try to update that first set with another set, and this is what you will get as a resultant. So you will able to means merge, I can say, or you will able to store the value of both the sets in one set, that is left side set. This is what the left side set with the help of this dot update function. All right, moving forward, we will try to learn union. So union will print combined output of two set and return it into new set. So here we have to assign new variable to it, and then we have to perform union function on both set. So how it will work, set underscore eg means variable 1 dot union of variable 2. Variable 2 is nothing but set underscore eg1. We'll try to execute it and see set 1 is nothing but it have given us the combined output of these both set. Here this set 1 and this set you will learn 100. Alright, so here also you are able to check that it is unordered here also. Moving forward, remove. How remove will work? It will remove the given word 2. If but whenever you will try to remove something from any set, and if it will not present in that set, it will give this error. Over here I'm trying to remove this 100 and it is present in set, so I will execute it. So see, here we are able to remove that, but this hello string is not present in this set and we will try to remove it, then it will shows us error, this key error. What I wrote over here, I will try to uh, okay, I will try to write it again. It will remove the given word, yeah, but if that is not present in set, it will show error that is given word is not present in this set, and you can also see it as key error. All right, this is only for your understanding. See, moving forward, we are seeing this discard. So how discard will work? Discard, if you want to discard any data from that particular set. So here we have taken one set and we are trying to discard this 7 from this set. Then you have to pass simply that variable dot discard, and in bracket parenthesis you have to pass that particular value, and here you can able to see result. It have discarded that 7 from this list, and if that particular means value is not present in this set, then it will give us this original set as it is as a resultant. It won't show any error over here. All right, so this is what it have given us original set. It haven't reflected any error, but here with remove you will get key error. This is what difference I'm trying to tell you guys over here. So moving forward, pop function. What pop will do, it will remove random item from set. So whenever I'm saying random means any random item it will remove. See over here we have passed one set and we tried to remove that, means set1 dot pop we said, and it have removed this b. Again next time we will try to pop item, but what we did over here, we have stored it in this popped item variable set1 dot pop, and we have printed set1 and then we printed popped item. So it have printed all the values except this one because it have popped that one already. All right, and you will see over here b is not also present because we have popped that b in this cell 23. All right, so moving forward, clear. Clear will clear set and print empty set. So see, this is what, if you will try to clear any set, then it will clear the values from it and it will print the empty set as output. If you will try to delete, use this delete function in set, then it will delete all the data from memory location and it will reflect us error. So we will see what error it will reflect to us. Name error. So you have to keep in mind whenever you are deleting something, it will be deleted from its memory location. So you won't able to fetch it again and it will show us name error, that the given means variable is not defined. All right, moving forward, intersection. What it returns a set having element common in both sets. So we will see, is it written the common elements from both sets? Yeah, it is, because over here we are having two elements common, that's 7 8 and 7 8. And again, if I say set 2 dot intersection of set 1, again it will gives us the same common element from that. Moving forward, intersection update, what it will do, this does not return anything but update the set which is on left side with the element that are common between both the sets. So whichever elements are common in these both the sets, that it will update in left side set. Means over here set 3 dot intersection underscore update, this is what the function for intersection update, and we are updating it with set 4. Intersection update is nothing but it will update common element between both the sets, and it will store it in the set 3. See, so here we are having common elements of 1 to 3, and it have updated that on left side set. So we have printed again set 3 and set 4, but it is now 1 2 3. All right, moving forward, 11, that is difference. It will give just difference between two set but different element from left side set only. So here means it is interesting. So we are trying to find out difference between both the sets, but it is giving us the different element from only this set. Means it will gives only different element from set 1, and it won't gives from set 2. So we will try to execute over here. See, it have said us this 1 2 3 4 5 are the different element from set 1, and here we will try it with set 2 also. See, I'm trying to write over here set 2 dot difference and set 1. We will try to find out what it will give us. So over here, as I said, it will give us means uncommon element, right? Means difference means uncommon element from this left side set which are not common with this set, means right side set, that is set 1. Over here it have given this 11 12 13 14 15 because we have considered it as left side set and this set 1 as right side set. And what about this uncommon element from this set 1? It won't give that for this difference. All right, if we will see with the difference update, it will give us the uncommon element of the left side set, those are not present in right side set. So this is what, but it won't return anything. Like over here we are able to store it in another variable, but over here we won't able to store it in any variable. Like, oh, we will see over here, I will try to write set 3. So see, it will reflect as none, and I will make it as, see over here you are able to see uncommon element of this left side set which are not present in this right side set. Moving forward, that is symmetric difference. So we are trying to cover as fast as possible. So by seeing video, you won't get bored and you may try to learn every functions that I'm covering. So we are having some few functions. We will try to cover it in the same video. So this is some symmetric difference. This will return the uncommon element from both of the sets, and the syntax is dot symmetric underscore difference. All right, so with difference you won't get, means difference and difference update, you won't able to get uncommon element from both the sets, but with the symmetric difference you can get uncommon element from both the sets. So whenever you want uncommon element from both the sets, you have to go with symmetric difference. And what symmetric difference update will do, it won't, means over here we are able to store it in, means we are able to return it in any variable, but over here with the symmetric difference update, we won't able to return anything, but it will update left side set with element that are not common on both sides. All right. Moving forward, each superset. Each superset which will contain details of other set is itself is called as superset. So see, if we are having set 1 and set 2, and set 1 is having mean just like parent class, okay, so it is having all the details, and set 2 is nothing but child class, it is having some of the details. And if we are saying like child class is set 2 is present in set 1, or we are saying that set 1 is superset of set 2, then it will be reflected as output as true. So see, we are saying over here set 2 is superset of set 1, means set 2 is containing all the values which are present in set 1, and it is giving us true. If no, is not so, then it will reflect as error. Over here we will write 100 and then try to execute. See, it have reflected as false. So that's what I'm saying. It's subset. If any set of values are present in another set, which other values, then it is called as subset of that set. It means if the set 1 is containing some values and those are present in set 2 also with some of other values, then we call it as this set 1 is subset of this set 2, and it will reflect as true. Yeah, set 1 is dot is subset of set 2. If we will try to write like this set 2 as subset of set 1, it will give us false output. Hope you understood. And the second last is disjoint. If there is nothing common in both set, it's called as disjoint set. So here we have given different element in both set, and we are trying to means understand its disjoint function, it's how it work with set 1 and set 2, and here how you can copy with set. So this is how I copied this set element of set 1 in set 3. The syntax is set1 dot copy. Hope you understood all the functionality of set. If you have any query, feel free to reach me in comment. I will try to resolve your query as soon as possible. And keep learning, keep upgrading yourself. See you soon. Bye. Take care.